get it. Here, right there at the edge. What do you see sort of as its head comes up? What's right underneath?
Suckers.
Yeah, so those look like feet. And now question, are those little dark things at the front the same or different as the things near the back? Yep.
And then you bend over, get close to the fire, go over it. It is strong.
Nice. And you guys built and lit this one all by yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
You guys are crushing it. That's
Rays of sunshine.
Alright, so you are it. So your job is to close your eyes and count to 20.
What do I look like?
Boom.
You gotta yell camouflage.
Hondo. How's mine look?
Camouflage!
You know what? I'm tired of you.
Puns for days.
I have a better idea. I think it's a fun
20 Mississippi, done!
And meander.
I see you in the white shirt, I see you,
We could be playing golf. Somebody say nature's classroom.
If you try something and it seems bland, probably good to eat. If it seems sweet, it's probably good to eat. If it seems tart, like sour.
Don't do it.
Do you eat lemons?
Yes, all the time.
grapefruit?
I eat the whole part of the lemon.
Yeah, me
I just
too.
like everything except
Yeah, I could eat, when I was growing up, limes.
Yeah,
That's what
so
I,
good.
so my name is Coco, and I'm Rory. And we are doing, you explain it, I'll do the. We're doing an egg drop, so we have to drop an egg off of a railing and see if it lands. So we're wrapping it in string in a coffee filter and stuffing it inside of an egg. We're just wrapping it in paper. We're wrapping it in a bunch of paper. It almost died! Still alive. So what's your plan with the egg? Hi! I just took a gobble out to the sky.
Okay. How are you supposed to mix this? With your hand.
I was just gonna. What did you do? It's right there.
Innovations are taking place right now. So, warm, cold, what are you feeling?
It's kind of in the middle.
It's kind of in the one middle. Alright, I'm going to throw some vocabulary words out, and I want you guys to come up with what you believe these vocabulary words are. Are you ready? Endothermic, exothermic.
Endothermic. No, hot inside, and then hot on the outside. Hot
So endothermic, you guys have gotten that the temperature is in, yes? Exothermic, what do we got for that?
temperature outside.
Okay, so what is pushing the temperature away? If I am pushing heat away from me, am I hot or cold?
Cold.
Alright, if I'm absorbing heat, am I hot or
You'll
cold?
also notice a change in sort of the way that your steel wool looks, because when that burning is happening, we've got some combustion happening. There are 3 big ones and a couple little ones. Yeah! Looking gorgeous. Little high. We've done.
Come on.
Guys, don't
Shadows.
We've got a couple magnifying glass people that we're going to try and stay out of their way.
Will.
But if we're going to move on, everyone's going to take a piece of this rope that I've got.
Man down. Oh, it's almost so close.
Everybody's going to get a piece of...
Okay. Anybody else?
Good job.
Here's your egg. Nice.
Nice.
Ours is good. Wait, don't throw it yet. Okay, I'm gonna mess over the trash.
Mine obviously
Should I get
Mine's got me Donner.
I can do it.
It broke! Oh no! It did? Oh my god.